What's up, guys? I've had someone ask me, or I've been trying to help someone get a Gameboy Advanced emulator on their, I believe, iPod. You can do this on your iPhone, iPod, iPad, whatever, on 8.1. Now, if you're still on iOS 0.0.2, you can use the GBA for iOS. Just set your time back 24 hours, and you can do it that way. I have a video showing you how to do it that way. But this is going to show you how to get it on iOS 8.1. You are going to need to be jailbroken and have Cydia. I also have a video showing you how to jailbreak your device with Pangu. But you don't need to move on to how to install Cydia, because if you have ran the Pangu jailbreak, you can actually go into the Pangu app now and install Cydia from there. So it's a lot easier, and it only takes a minute. So, alright, we'll go ahead and jump right in. But this is GBA for iOS, but it's through Cydia. It's no D trick or nothing like that. Just make sure you have the jailbreak before you try this, or it's not going to work. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is go into Cydia. And I'll show you that I am on 8.1, just so you know. Just let this load up. And down here at the bottom, there it is, 8.1, Cydia 1.1.15. That's the newest release of Cydia. I'm doing this on an iPhone 6. So what you need to do is you need to add a source. Now, I don't necessarily like to do this, but this is the only way to get it, since I haven't paid for the GBA. And at this time, Cydia is not allowing purchases on 8.1, so I'm just going to show you how to get it through a hack repo. Like I said, I don't necessarily like to do this, but I will for a special request. Okay, you're going to need to install, I believe it's the Hack Your iPhone. I'll post a little in the description the repo that you need to go to, or you can probably see it there, repo.hackyouriphone.org. So you just type that in, and if you don't know how to add it, you'll go here, you go to your sources, edit, and add, and then you just type it in here. And once you do that, it'll probably take a minute to load. You have to update your the repo, which will only take a second. And once you have that done, you can go ahead and search for it. You can type in GBA Emulator, or you can type in GBA for iOS, but it's version 2.0.7. That's what you're going to need. You won't need anything to download ROMs, because this will do it all for you. And I've checked to make sure all features are working, and as far as I can tell, they are. So we'll go ahead and install that. Click confirm. And you'll let this run. This will take a minute, because it's slightly a big file, not huge, but it's a little bigger than most tweaks or apps through Cydia. So we'll go ahead and let that run. Okay, now once that's done, you'll go ahead and hit reload springboard, and it will reboot your device, and that'll take a second to turn back on. Just be patient, don't get overzealous with it or try and rush it, because it really doesn't take that long. Alright, and there it is, GBA for iOS. Now if the icon doesn't pop up, the app doesn't pop up, just turn your device off and turn it back on, and it should pop up. I'm also testing other emulators, and I'll post videos once they're up and running too, because some people probably prefer GPS Phone, which is another really good emulator, which is what I would usually use, but this is the one that I've found that is working. So we'll go ahead and open that up, and this is what it looks like. So you have no ROMs. You can just touch this little search icon right here, little magnifying glass, and then right here we'll just type in cool ROMs. GBA. Alright, now that's loaded. You just click the first link, it should be your cool ROMs, and this one should take you right into the Gameboy Advanced. And whatever game you want pretty much is right here. I'll just go with Pokemon Leaf Green. We'll just click that. Alright, Leaf Green. you'll just scroll down to where it says download now. Click that, click download, and save. You can change the title to whatever you want it. Give it a second to load up. And you can use other ROM sites if you prefer, but I just like Cool ROMs. It's simple and has tons of ROMs to it. Go ahead and click on it and open it up. And you can even turn on fast forward, which I like having on. Speeds up time through the game and also helps me get through it a lot faster. There you go, guys. There's GBA on iOS 8.1. Remember, you do have to jailbreak. I'll post a link in the description to where you can watch how to jailbreak with Pangu on 8.1. But that's pretty much it, guys. If this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up. Leave comments down below if you need help with anything, and I'll be sure to help everybody. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace.